Welcome friends to VG Creativity World. Today I am showing how to do anklet stitch. For that you can see I have drawn two parallel lines. From one tip just come from down to up, and see this is the line, just come in the middle. See like this. Then see that here put the needle and just take some cloth, and the thread should be below the needle like this. Okay, and from here again just do like this. See like this. And again from here take a little cloth and just again put the needle down. Okay, see we got first anklet stitch. Again see, first from here you start and take the, see from straight like this, come here, come in the middle like this, then keep the thread like this, means like this twisted, put inside this chain, and the thread should be below this like this. See like this. Then from here again take little cloth like this, and the thread should be always below the needle, that we have to remember. See like this you will get. And again from this first point chain put inside, and again the thread should be below the needle, and like this. See, this is known as anklet stitch. The step is like this. First we have to take parallel straight and come in the middle, and thread should be always below the needle. Then see, just put the thread like this, and you can press with the thumb. The thread is below, always below the needle. See like this. And this first chain is there, no, in that you have to put and take little cloth like this. Thread is below the needle like this. Then again from here you will come here, or in the same place you are bringing, then also no problem, like this. See like this you will get. And again we want to make a chain, so I am rotating like this. From here again put inside and take little cloth. The thread should be below the needle, and this is our anklet stitch. See like this it looks. See like this we have to take like this, then put in this chain, take little cloth, thread should be below the needle, then here triangle should form, so again like this we have to take. See, and then again come to this and take little cloth, and the thread should be below the needle like this. So this is anklet stitch, which is used for border. See once again like this you have to come, thread is in front, okay, always. Then first left hand side we will make like this chain, thread is below the needle, then this is not completed, so there should be also chain, so like this. So we got the middle, and again here we want to make a chain. This is known as anklet stitch. See once again, see the thread should be in front of the needle like this, you can keep. See, take, come in the middle like this, thread should be always ahead or below the needle. See like this. Then again see this one line is there, so chain should be there, so put here and take little cloth, and this will be rotating, means you will get the chain. The thread should be always see like this, and again we want here chain, so from this previous chain put inside and take little cloth like this and rotate it. That means thread should be below, so we will get like this. See, this is known as anklet stitch. See, first step, straight we have to take in the middle like this. Okay, then this chain you have to put, take little cloth, and thread should be below the needle like this. Then this is incomplete chain, so take it once again like this, and the thread is below the needle like this. So this we got triangle shaped, and again beside this one chain should come, so again put inside this chain, take little cloth like this, and the thread should be below the needle. So this is our anklet stitch. See, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.